Welcome to Introduction to Small Business. This video is to show you how to complete the assignment 1.02 My Skills in the Google Classroom. Go to your classwork tab. You can click View Your Work for the list of incomplete assignments, or you can scroll down to Unit 1 to find the 1.02 My Skills assignment. You will see the question mark icon before the title. This shows you that it is a question you will answer in the discussion board. Open that question. You will see there is a document that you can use to help you answer the question. It says, review the skill categories and skills. Answer this question in the discussion board. What are your top 5 skills? If you need to review the document, you can open it. And you will see all of the skills we learned about in class. You can choose some of these skills to post for your answer. Click View Question, and you will type your answer in the discussion board field. I have already typed my answer, and you can also view your classmates' answers by clicking this button. You can also reply to your classmates. Now you know how to complete 1.02. Thank you for watching the video.